if you have an old radio like this, the volume knob might become scratchy when you turn it on. You can spray some tuner, control cleaner, and lubricant directly onto this switch surface. You can do it through a slot here. Just make sure you wear gloves when you're doing this and wipe off any excess, and then just move the knob up and down, and it should remove the scratchiness of the volume knob. Also gives a little shine to the radio. So this is what I have: Archer, tuner, control cleaner, and lubricant. You might find similar ones on Amazon. Other brands might work just as well.